With this project, I decided to split the PCB into two halves. The main thing being that it was too expensive. If it's over 100 mil and you're sent to a hobby board house, they'll charge you a lot of money. It's cheaper to make two boards than it is to make one big board. Also, I split the project into pieces like the Raspberry Pi and the screen on one, and I got sound and power on the other board. And also, if you make a mistake, if you make a mistake on these pads or whatever, they don't quite work. So you just have to respin that board, and the whole top of this board can just stay the way it is. Before, I would use male headers to bridge these gaps with, but I've got a lot more connectors than the last project, and I've made them a bit smaller just to fit them on. But I'm also using what I do is heat the pad up, big blob of solder, heat the pad up for a few seconds, and then quickly lift it up, and then the pad will dome over, and you'll get a good join. I'll just show you on a few of these now. I've done most of them. There's just a few that I need to finish off. So what we do is put a big blob of solder, and then that's it. And then you got to watch out for the neighbouring pad as well. But if you get just enough on there, mainly it's just getting it on, getting enough on there, and getting it hot enough, and then quick like that, and you get an absolutely lovely finish on it, and they'll be nice and hard, nice and solid, nice solid board. And then you can go along with your continuity test, just make sure these are all joined.